In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize video blocks in Squarespace. To get started, open the page or section of your Squarespace site where you want the video to appear. Once you're in the editor, click Add Block. This is where Squarespace lets you insert different types of content, and for this tutorial, we'll be working specifically with a video block. From the block menu, click Video. As soon as you do that, the video block will be placed onto the page. At this point, you'll usually want to adjust the settings before publishing, so click the pencil icon to edit the block. That opens the customization panel where you can control what video is shown and how it appears to visitors. Next, click Add a Video. Squarespace gives you a few ways to bring media into the block. You can upload a file directly, choose an existing file from your library, or add a video from a link. In this example, we're selecting an existing file, so click Select from Library. This is especially helpful if you've already uploaded your content before, because it saves time and keeps your media organized. Now choose the video you want to use from the library. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of the same clip. Once you've picked the right video, click Add. Your selected video will now be attached to the block. After the video is in place, you can customize how it looks before anyone even presses play. Click Custom Thumbnail. This allows you to choose a specific preview image for your video instead of relying on an automatic frame. A good thumbnail can make the block look much more polished and can help match the design of your page. Then click Add an image to upload or select the image you want to use as that thumbnail. Finally, turn on autoplay and loop. These settings are useful if you want the video to begin playing automatically and repeat continuously, which can work especially well for background style videos or short promotional clips. Just make sure this behavior fits the kind of experience you want visitors to have on the page. And that's it. You've added a video block, selected your video, customized the thumbnail, and enabled playback settings in Squarespace. Once everything looks the way you want, you'll be ready to save your changes and continue building your page.